with Mrs. Sharky. I got it from
Come here, come here.
I got it from Papa.
Can you show us? It's very windy, baby.
Yeah, the bubbles are everywhere.
Come on, let's show us closely. Show them closely what is it.
Pop them. Ah! This is Andrea today. We're gonna review this toy from my papa.
Can I see? Baby, can I see?
Ah!
It's a bubble gun.
Look, watch. A bubble stuck on the bubble. Ah! I did not know we can do that.
Sige.
Hey, there's one here.
Ito some more.
Okay, let's see. Sometimes. Oh, whoa!
There's a lot of bubbles.
Yeah, look at this trail. I'm making a trail. Oh, look at that. Look.
Yeah.
Hey, someone's doing to the neighbor's garden. Hey, hey. But there's an
Extra bottle of of bubble.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Do you like it? It has light. Can you show them the light? Yeah, there's light and music.
Look at all these bubbles. Hey, hey, I'm trying to get them. I can't get that. Hey, one was, look. Whoa, look at this big one. I can't reach that.
Maybe.
No, I'm popping bubbles. I'm just popping bubbles. Hey, hey, someone go.
It's windy kasi that's why the bubbles are going around.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere else. I'm gonna water these.
Baby, don't.
I'm making a trail. Whoa, this is fun.
Baby.
Mom, look. They're just playing on my hand. Wait, hey.
Baby, don't go there.
I'm liking the plan.
How do you like that?
I like it.
5 stars. You say thank you to Papa.
Thank you, Papa, for buying this.
And for the
like
food,
it.
remember?
And for the food.
What did he give you? What did he give you?
Rice and
Spaghetti and
Spaghetti.
burger.
I'm having fun.
You're having fun.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, there's a lot of
holy
bubbles.
cow.
Wow, there's
Holy
a lot.
cow.
Oh, holy.
Ah, look at that. Look. Run. Oh. I'm gonna walk into them. Wow. This is fun. Hey, there's one floating around that is fun.
Do you still have more bubbles?
Oh. Wow, look at some are like chasing after the bird.
Oh, you say bye-bye na.
Bye. Like my channel. No, please subscribe.